set the WallHound-Pro up and leave it for a prolonged period of time, say overnight, you'll notice what happens is you'll see the signal strength energy built up in columns, and those are the watermarks there. So you could see where there was a lot of activity over time. I have it set right now for manual mode, so if I want to reset the watermarks, I don't want to see that, and I want to start everything at baseline down at the noise floor. I can hit reset watermark and watch what happens. These will all drop down. And it'll start going up and build up the profile again. There is some user selectability in this as well. I can go back to my configuration screen and I can go to the watermark reset and I could change it from manual and I could put it a pre-selected amount of time. Let's hold it for 30 seconds just to see the difference now. Again, it's going to let everything settle, and now it's going to hold the watermark for a period of time.
Cellular device detected.
And we need some energy to pop up and down so you can see that. But you notice this, the green box, that's the watermark. It'll hold that now for 30 seconds when the peak energy rised up, which helps you to see if you back up and give it a little bit of time. You could see again the wireless profile, all the different signals within the cellular bands and the CW bands, and how long it stays up. Then after some time, they're going to naturally drop down again.